Only you have the ability to be the best version of yourself. So join me on this journey as we explore the power of yoga to unlock your full potential. Let's begin. Welcome. This is your permission to pause, to come home to your body, to soften into the quiet hush of the evening. Settle into easy pose, letting your sit bones root into the mat. Close your eyes. Let your hands rest where they fall naturally. Begin to roll your shoulders up, back, and down. Let the breath guide the movement. Feel the weight of the day rolling off each circle. No rush, no destination, just presence. Now take a gentle side bend. Right hand to the floor, left arm overhead. Let it feel expansive. Let it feel like a yawn for the side body. Binding the left arm behind your back if that feels good. Breathe into the open spaces. Come through to center and melt into the other side. Move slowly. Breathe deeply. Transition into tabletop and lower to a forearm cat-cow. Let the spine move intuitively, arching, rounding, letting the breath lead the way. This is your wave. Ride it with ease. Rising to a kneeling position. Step the right foot forward into low lunge, keeping the front knee stacked, bringing the hands to rest softly onto your thigh. Breathe deeply into the hips, creating space with each inhale. Allow your body to settle, supported, grounded, and at ease. Let your breath guide you inward, quieting the mind and softening any tension. Return to kneeling, then switch sides. Left foot forward into low lunge. Hands rest softly. A quiet presence, a breath-led opening. releasing expectations, melting into now. Return to kneeling, and with a soft exhale, melt your hips back towards your heels. Allow your knees to open wide, arms reaching forward, drifting to the edges of your mat. Let your forehead lower, and with it any weight you've been carrying. Settle into this quiet space, a place of release, a place of peace. Let the earth hold you. Begin to draw your arms back in, hands underneath your shoulders. On an inhale, gently rise to a tabletop position. Sway the hips from side to side. Then lower yourself onto one hip and slowly swing your legs forward in front of you, rolling onto your back, one vertebra at a time, until you're fully resting on the mat. Reclined pigeon, right ankle over left thigh. Let the hips open with tenderness. There's no rush, no need to fix or force. Just breathe. Switching sides, left ankle over right thigh. Soften into the shape and allow the earth to do the holding. Bring the knees to chest. Supine twist to the left. Let your gaze drift gently to the right. Feel the body begin to release, layer by layer. Let the breath move through your spine like a soothing current, untangling tension inviting ease. Moving to the other side, knees to the right, gaze softens towards the left. A quiet twist, effortless, expansive. Feel the breath create space across your body. Melt into the mat beneath you. Bringing the knees to chest, hug them in, and now send both legs up for legs up the wall, extended, feet flexed, arms out wide, palms open to receive. Let the blood return to the heart. Let the nervous system sigh. This is your pause, your reset. Bring the knees to chest and slowly lower into reclined butterfly pose. One hand on the heart, one on the belly. Feel the breath rise and fall beneath the palms. Let the space in your hips invite a deep sense of ease. Extend your legs long now, settling into your Shavasana. Arms wide, heart soft. Let the breath be the only thing you follow now. Let the earth hold you, the breath soothe you, and the moment carry you. There's nowhere else you need to be.